Oh! Guess I better check the news. Welcome back. Once again, this is the late night coverage of the election. And you guessed it. You woke up to news this morning, nothing's happened. We're all just kind of reporting on the same thing. They've kept me in the office here in the newsroom for 4 nights now. I'm dying. So you might as well go back to bed, maybe wake up in another hour and check it again. We're just gonna give you a lot of hypothetical ideas on what could happen. And even though we have no idea, we have no proof of what's gonna happen, we have nothing else to do, so we're just gonna tell you this and you're just gonna watch it all day because you've got nothing else to do and you've been waiting, and elections are supposed to happen in one day and suddenly they're taking 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or hopefully not 10 days. And we're just gonna give out one special shout out today to Sunday Coffee at Adam. You know, Sunday Coffee, he's that guy that makes the Sunday videos, but they're not very good and we all know that. So to boost his ego a little bit, to give him some confidence, hey Adam, how's it going? Keep those Sunday Coffee videos going. We kind of appreciate them, maybe a little bit, but yeah, shout out to Adam this week. Well, that was weird. I've never had a dream about watching the news before. At least I got a shout out though. That's pretty cool. It's weird. That guy's hat changed twice. Like, why was he wearing 2 different hats? Oh yeah, the real news. The real news. Okay, that's what actual news looks like. It wasn't some dream. So it is over. We've been waiting a couple nights now. Almost 5 nights. So it's good that it's over. No matter who you voted for, no matter who you supported, it is over. And it's good to just have an answer, right? Anyways, it's back to business, right? Let's do some Sunday Coffee. I appreciate you being here. Let's go. So welcome back. Thanks for watching that opener. Hope you enjoyed it. Apologies, there is a truck outside doing some kind of like cleaning in someone's apartment. And you know how it is when you're making videos. You're about to press record and you're all ready to go, and suddenly there's a loud noise that might never end. So I thought, why not just keep recording anyway, and I'll throw some background music in there, right? Now, there you go. So I checked my email this morning and I got a really nice one saying, high five Adam Persivia, you have enough fans to fill a jumbo jet. So I hit the 500 sub mark. It's a goal of mine that I've had since I started making videos. Something you picture but you really can't grasp. You're like, oh, is this gonna even happen? Some days you're grinding and you're making videos and you're hoping it's gonna get a big view count, and it flops. Finally hit that milestone. It's the first of many, hopefully. I just want to thank each and every one of you that watch my videos and you support me. Really keep me motivated to keep making more videos, so thanks so much. Right now you get one of these emails, but I think it's one of the first steps to get one of those plaques on the wall. Maybe I should print this, put it on the wall somewhere. Maybe not. I think I'll just keep it in my inbox. I'll save it. But yeah, I've probably been putting an average of 20 hours per week for the last 8 months. So that's about 640 hours or 27 days. That's nowhere near the 10,000 hour rule it takes to become an expert in something, but there's only one way to get there, right? You just do it. But I'm very satisfied with the results I've gotten from putting in this certain amount of time. This video is kind of common. Most people make a video like this once they've hit the 500 subs or the 1,000 subs, and they explain like, how did it happen? How did they get to that point? And I just want to share kind of a little bit of my story. I'm not growing as fast as other YouTubers out there, but I'm not sad at all about that. It's okay. I'm doing it at my own pace. But yeah, I just wanted to share some of the ways that I have reached this number. If you have a new channel out there that you're trying to grow, or you're thinking about possibly starting a channel, if you are thinking about it, you should, because it's a lot of fun. You may be nervous about what other people may think, but I promise you that will go away very quickly, because who cares? It doesn't matter. I started making videos and I really wanted the views. I really wanted the subscribers. When you're at 0, you want something. It's about the views a little bit at the beginning, at least for me. I put out a video, I put hours into it, I'd finally get over the fear of posting it, and I got like no views. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna share this with people I know. So I'd share it on Facebook, I'd send it to friends and family, and yeah, I'd get views like that. I think I got up to about 50 or 100 subs very quickly just by sharing it with my friends and family. But after a while, I started getting views, and then the views kind of slowed down a bit, and the analytics, they weren't very good. So if you're posting a video on your Facebook and people are scrolling, you know people mindlessly scroll, they stop on your video, watch it for maybe 20 seconds, and they keep scrolling. And if you're new to making videos, you're you're probably not very good at it, so you're not going to make a video that they're going to keep watching. By sharing with people that aren't interested in your content, truly you might be hurting your analytics. So after about 10 videos, I kind of stopped self-promoting. I don't think I've shared a video on my Facebook for a while now. I don't share on Instagram just because I want to keep it separate. I want to kind of grow organically. That may be a reason why I haven't grown as fast, but to me, that's the strategy I'm trying to go with. So I'm out taking a break. Oh my God, helicopter, it's so loud, but it's all good. I'm out taking a break from editing this video, and I thought, wow, I didn't ask anyone to subscribe, and this whole video is about subscriptions, right? So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I appreciate if you hit that button, and if you could hit that like button as well. It really helps me grow my channel. I'm about to cross that bridge and then walk back to my apartment. So once I cross that bridge and get back to my apartment, I'm gonna be locked inside all night just to make a video. Like in this break, make sure to take breaks when you're making videos. If you just go 8 hours straight working on something, the quality's not gonna be as good. So make sure you take some breaks, get some fresh air, get some sun if you can. So yeah, back to the video. So one day I got a notification, said I got a comment on my video, but this comment was different. It was genuine. It showed that the person watched the entire video and they cared. So it's from someone named Life with Vince Lou. You guys mostly know who he is already. Yeah, his comment was awesome, and I went to his channel, checked out his, subscribed to his channel, commented on his video, and then shortly after that, he made a video about how he grew about 467 subs in just 30 days. I watched the whole video. It was very interesting to me. I never really knew about this strategy. So what he said is he connects with other small creators, watches their videos, comments on their video, and engages with them. And then in return, most people do that back. So it builds like sort of a community. And one thing that he stressed was he only does this to people he cares about watching their videos on. And that's a super important tip, because if you don't do that, you're essentially just doing sub for sub. At the very beginning, I did sub for sub. I did it for like a month. You've probably seen it. There are live streams on YouTube that say, small YouTuber support, let's grow together, all those types of videos. And it's literally a guy on a live stream who's probably got like 3,000 subscribers. And his purpose of his live stream is for people to comment on his live stream saying, sub to me, sub to me, sub to me. And there's this like little community of people that are starting from zero, and they're trying to build those subs. And they're getting like 10 or 20 views per video, even though they have 500 or 1,000 subs. You can just tell it's fake. It's not real. And I realized that the subscription number is not kind of the main goal you should have when you're making a YouTube channel. You should be focusing on other things, improving your content, improving your analytics. So I realized that this was damaging my channel, and I stopped. So when I first saw Vince's comment, I was like, wait, this is more than just like a sub to me comment. This is different. So I realized there is a way you can do this. You can market your channel. You can connect with other people in a genuine way that's gonna get your analytics still high, and it will help your channel actually grow. I started implementing that strategy. I'd spend like 2 hours a night connecting with other small YouTubers. And yeah, I got some subscribers, and I've connected with many awesome people out there. I love watching your videos. I'm inspired by all your videos out there, and I want to see what else you come up with. That's kind of what I've been doing to grow my channel. I'm sure a lot of people already know this strategy, but there came a point where I realized I was spending too much time on watching other people's videos and engaging with them, because I'm not going to go and watch 30 seconds of a video and just like exit it out and say, nice video, bud. And I'm not going to watch a video now on a topic I don't care about. So either I care about the topic you're talking about, or I really like you as a person and a personality, and I'll watch your video like that. But I don't want to be a fake. If you have a channel about watching paint dry, I'm not gonna be like, wow, that 2-hour live stream watching that aqua paint dry was awesome. It was exciting the whole time. I had to keep making popcorn because I was just so into it. I'm not gonna leave a comment like that. Connect with people that you actually care about. But yeah, I'll probably put in a couple hours a day still on most days. Some days I take off on comments. When I'm not doing comments and stuff like that, I'm trying to focus on my content, improving the content. So that's my second strategy. Focus on some skills. There's so many things you need to know about YouTube to get your channel growing and to make your content better. So what I've focused on and put my energy on is learning the Adobe programs. So like Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro. That's it for now. There's still like After Effects I want to dabble into, but I don't really want to pay for it. I'm already paying enough. I'm trying to get better at those programs. Right now it takes me a long time to edit a video, but I am getting quicker. I'm quicker than I was at the beginning. And that's because I'm putting the practice in. That's because I'm learning all the shortcuts and I'm learning how to use these programs more efficiently. You may not see the difference in a couple of my videos from when I was using iMovie till what I'm doing now, but I'm finding more efficient ways to spend less time editing, which is awesome. Less time editing means I can put out more videos. I'm learning some new things about graphics right now. As you can see in the beginning opener, I tried to make it like a news headline type of thing, and I'm trying to do more cool graphics to make my content more engaging. So that's a second strategy I have if you want to get your channel growing. Focus on the content, focus on the quality. And third, I'd say have fun. Don't put out content that you don't really want to make. I'd say you need to find that balance. You find something you want to make and you find something that's kind of trending or searchable, because I've done a couple videos that have been doing very well on the analytics. I uploaded one about tinnitus with the ringing ears and I'm getting like 40 or 50 or 60 views per day. Comparing that to some of my other videos where I get a big 0 views per day, because you upload them, they get the views for a couple days, and then they kind of die off and the algorithm doesn't promote them. But I've managed to make a couple videos that seem to be cracking the algorithm. So yeah, the tinnitus one, and I made a review about pancakes. And those two things there are searchable, or they're videos that are just YouTube's gonna promote. So if someone's watching videos on tinnitus and they think they have ringing ears, it might suggest my video after, because people have been watching it and then they have been sticking around and watching a lot of the videos. So if your average view duration is pretty high, YouTube loves that, so they're gonna share your video with other people. So yeah, make videos you like, but also make videos that can be searched. They call this evergreen content because it kind of keeps getting the views. And if you do want to monetize one day, you need to hit those watch hours. So knowing that your videos are being viewed at all times, it's a pretty good feeling. So that's kind of the strategies that I focus on. Some people are doing like live stream stuff. I haven't done a live stream yet, but yeah, I read a lot of Reddit forums about being like a new YouTuber, and they say just the content is what you need to focus on. You need to improve that. If you're not improving that, you could fake all these views and you could fake these subscribers and get the sub for sub thing, and you're not gonna get the analytics that YouTube wants. That's it for me. 500, it's a lot for me. My hope is when I'm at 1,000 and higher, people will look back on this video of me talking right now and I'll look like a complete idiot. I don't really know what I'm talking about. I'm still a beginner at this, so I'm just using this video kind of to track my progress so I can look back one day and be like, wow, you've learned a lot since 500. Always be learning, always be improving. That's it for me today. Really hope you enjoyed my little video. I thank you so much for supporting me. My goal is to make videos that you actually enjoy and you want to watch. When you see that I post a new video, you're like, yes, he did it, he did one. It's gonna keep being a grind. I know there's a lot of people out there that are grinding as well, and I get you, I feel you, but we'll all get there together. I got a couple videos in the work right now. It's cool because I've actually like filmed a lot. I just haven't finished editing them, because I'm gonna go back to Canada for the holidays and I might have some trouble there setting up my shop again and getting in the routine. So at least now I can kind of just finish those ones off while I'm in Canada, so I can always have content going. Because I found that once you stop being consistent, I was getting like 200 views a video, and then I like went to Canada last time and kind of took a break for like 3 weeks, and the views haven't been the same since. So consistency is key. Upload as many videos as you can, I think, is the best strategy. So this week I think I'm on pace for 3. They're not as high production value, but you know, it doesn't matter at the beginning. Some of them are going to be better than others, and that's fine. That's it for me today. Hope you're enjoying your weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.